Malware includes any software that is designed to cause harm or hassles for computer users. It includes viruses, worms, trojans, and spyware. Malware has become an increasingly severe problem over the years. Today it is essential for networked computers to run antivirus software and possibly other anti-malware solutions. This chapter introduces malware and the various protection methods used to prevent infection and infiltration. You'll be looking at understanding malware types, planning for malware protection, understanding Microsoft protection methods. A computer program with the ability to regenerate itself is called a virus. A virus may or may not harm the infected computer. Viruses may lie dormant for some time before they attack the infected host machine. A worm is a self-replicating application that requires no user action for reproduction. Viruses usually require human interaction in some way, whereas worms do not. To define viruses more clearly, consider that they typically have three components: a mission, a trigger, self-propagation. The Trojan horse, or simply Trojan, enters the computer under the guise of a useful program or utility, and it may affect the machine with a virus. Spyware is installed on the computer without your knowledge. Both Trojans and spyware may install backdoors. A backdoor is an application that will allow an attacker a remote connection into your machine to control it. Phishing attacks are used to manipulate individuals into taking actions they should not take or providing information they should not provide. They are often implemented through email or text messaging, also called instant messaging or SMS. The attacker may use different methods, but the following are common: impersonating someone, spoofing a website, or creating a false scenario. In general, the following tips will help you avoid phishing attacks. Be suspicious of any scenario where you are asked for money or financial information. Don't click links within emails. Instead, manually navigate to the known site in your web browser. Scan all downloaded applications for worms and trojans. Downloaded applications may be used to gather information. Do not enter personal information in pop-up screens or websites, as they may result in an attack on the website and not legitimate code. Verify that you are using a secure website. Make sure that it has HTTPS in the address when submitting credit card information online. Update your web browser to ensure that all necessary security patches are applied. Security is a difficult concept to define as it relates to computers and information systems. So let's use the following as our working definition of security in relation to Windows operating system security. Security is the state in which an acceptable level of risk is achieved through the use of policies and procedures that can be monitored and managed. When it comes to planning for malware protection, there are three important topics to discuss: configuring and using user account control, selecting anti-malware solutions, and protecting the Windows registry. You'll be reading more about these in the chapter. You will learn about the various tools that Microsoft provides to help protect you from malware and remove malware should it infect your systems, which include the Action Center, the Malicious Software Removal Tool, Windows Defender, Windows Security Essentials, and Microsoft Forefront. Here's a summary of Chapter 8. You'll be looking at understanding malware types, planning for malware protection, and understanding Microsoft protection methods.